Hello there. Welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist today, actor Dele Odule comes for Yinka, Alaseyori and Tope Alabi. Check out what he has to say.
Ẹ ṣé ibi tẹ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, ẹ ṣé ibi tẹ́ bá dé, a dúpẹ́ o Jésù, ibi tẹ́ mú wa lọ. I just woke up this morning and I have this to tell every one of you. Auntie Yinka Alaseyori, shut up. Auntie Tope Alabi, shut up. Dele Odule fúnra ẹ̀, shut up. Yomi Fabiyi, shut up. Every one of you, pátá porogodo, shut up, keep your quiet. Let me tell you, the beauty of anybody's life is when you are relevant to your generation. Ṣé rí gbogbo wàhálà lórí onídùúró mi kò ṣe onídùúró mi torí pé ẹ bá gbà mú ni o. Ṣé rí àwọn kan wà wọ́n ṣẹ̀yàn wọ́n ṣẹ̀ wọ́n kò tiẹ̀ ṣe nítorí wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n torí pé ẹ̀yin bá gbà mú òun lẹ ṣe ń ní àǹfààní láti máa sọ gbogbo ohun tẹ́ ń sọ lénìí táráyé ń tẹ́tí tó ń gbọ́ yín àti èyí tó dá yín lóhùn dáadáa àti èyí tí ò dá yín lóhùn dáadáa. Why don't you keep praising the Lord? Ẹ má gbèjà Ọlọ́run, ẹ fọlọ́run, Ọlọ́run ẹ fọlọ́run lẹ̀, Ọlọ́run ṣòro gbèjà, Ọlọ́run ṣòro gbèjà, both right, left, center. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣáà máa gbà pé the good Lord is on our side. So ẹ jẹ́ ká dúpẹ́, keep praising him, keep praising him. Jẹ́rí gbogbo wàhálà yìí, let it. Ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ sí odò lọ mú mi. Ẹ gbàgbé ẹ̀. Like I said, the beauty of anybody's life is when you are relevant to your generation. God bless every one of you.